Are you tired of manually creating graphs in other software and struggling to embed them perfectly into Word? It's a common frustration, believe me. But what if I told you there's a much easier way? Today, you're going to learn the exact steps to build professional, integrated line graphs directly in your documents with ease. No more copying, pasting, or formatting headaches. We'll walk you through finding the chart tool, selecting the right graph type, and inputting your data, transforming your document in minutes. It's truly a game changer for anyone who works with data in Word. All right, let's dive right in. The very first thing we need to do to get a chart into your document is head over to the Insert tab. Think of this tab as your go-to spot for bringing in anything new, whether it's an image, a table, or in our case, a beautiful data visualization. You'll find it right at the top of your Word window, usually next to Home and File. Just give that Insert tab a friendly click to open up all its options. Now that we're on the Insert tab, you'll see a bunch of tools available to you. We're looking for the Chart option. This is the one that tells Word, hey, I want to add a visual representation of my data here. You'll typically find it in the Illustrations group. It usually looks like a small bar graph icon. Go ahead and click on that Chart button. This will open up a new window with all the different chart types you can create. Once that Insert Chart dialog box pops up, you'll see a whole menu of chart types on the left-hand side. We're focusing on line graphs today because they're fantastic for showing trends over time or comparing different data sets in a clear, straightforward way. So from that list on the left, you'll want to click on Line. Then on the right, you'll see various subtypes of line graphs. For most basic uses, the first option, a simple line graph, works perfectly. Select that one. After you've chosen your desired line graph type, you'll just need to confirm your selection. Down at the bottom right of that Insert Chart window, you'll see an OK button. Give that a click. What happens next is pretty cool. Word will insert a placeholder line graph directly into your document, and alongside it, a small Excel-like spreadsheet window will appear. Don't worry if the graph looks a bit generic at first. That's exactly what we're about to change. And here's the really important part. This is where we customize the graph to tell your story with your data. That little Excel-like window that popped up, often called Chart in Microsoft Word, is where all the magic happens. You'll see some default categories and series with sample numbers. The columns Series 1, Series 2, and Series 3 represent the different lines on your graph, and Category 1, Category 2, etc. are your x-axis labels, like months, years, or different product types. To start, you can simply click on any cell in that spreadsheet and type in your own data. For example, if Category 1 should be January, just click on that cell and type January. The graph in your Word document will update instantly, right before your eyes, which is super helpful for real-time adjustments. Change Series 1 to Sales or Visits to rename your lines. Then fill in the corresponding numbers under each series for each category. Now, if you only need 2 lines on your graph, you can just ignore or even clear the data for Series 3. Word will automatically adjust the graph to only show the data you've provided. Conversely, if you need more data points or more lines, just start typing in the empty cells below or to the right of your existing data, and Word will expand the graph's scope to include it. This direct, no-nonsense approach to manipulating your datasheet directly within Word is what makes creating professional graphs so much smoother and faster. Take your time here, inputting your specific figures, watching how your graph transforms in real time. It's all about making that data truly yours. And there you have it. From struggling to get your data visualized, to confidently creating and customizing professional line graphs directly within Microsoft Word, you've just learned how to transform raw numbers into compelling visuals, making your documents more impactful and easier to understand. Practice with different datasets, and you'll be a graph-making pro in no time.